Different day, same grind. And yeah, maybe the money is okay, but the freedom non-existent. Now imagine a different morning. You wake up, grab your phone, and see new members join your school. Not because you ran ads, not because you built a 14-step funnel, not because you did something complicated like internet gymnastics, but because you built one simple system, a school community connected to one YouTube channel. That's it. A system you build once that can work for you 24/7. And I'll be honest, I used to think the only way to win online was to grind harder, post more, and hustle until my brain looked like a fried egg. But here's what I've learned. Systems and automation beat raw effort every time. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set this up step by step. And by the end, you'll know exactly how to do 5 things. Define the transformation, build your school community in a clear, simple way. Set up a Start Here classroom that actually converts. Publish your first YouTube video without overthinking it. Use AI to speed the whole process up. No fluff, no theory, just what works. Now, before you touch any software, before you open Skool, before you even think about YouTube, you need a marker. Yes, a marker. Because this step is the foundation for everything else. 1. Define your transformation. Here's the question I need you to ask yourself. What change am I helping people create? That's it. Not your logo, not your niche name, not your color palette, the transformation. Because people don't pay for information, they pay for the before and after. They're at point A, they want point B, but they're stuck, confused, and overwhelmed. And if you become the bridge between A and B, they will happily trade money for momentum. So keep it simple. Don't know how to launch a rocket? I can show you how to launch a rocket. Don't know how to start a garden? I can show you how to start a garden. Don't know how to escape the time for money trap? I can show you how to build recurring income. Simple. Then turn it into one clear sentence. I help who get result with method. Example. I help service providers escape the time for money trap and build recurring income with Skool, YouTube, and AI. That one sentence drives your content, your offer, your pricing, your community structure, and your YouTube topics. Because clarity attracts, confusion repels, simple sells, confusion smells. So take 5 minutes, pause the video, and lock this in. When you come up with your sentence, post it in the comments below. If you skip this step, everything else gets harder. 2, build your school community. Now you're ready to build the home for your business. Your school is where the transformation lives. And the biggest secret here, keep it simple. Pick a name people instantly understand. Pickleball school, AI automation, acting lab, how to grow a garden. No one is awarding trophies for complicated names, simple wins. Next, pricing. You can go free, go low ticket, or go premium later. But here's the smart move. Start easy, then adjust upward. It's a lot harder to drop your price than to raise it. Your school page should be clean, a clear promise, a short intro video, a simple what you get list, a few testimonials once you have them. That's it. You're not building a NASA control panel. You're building a transformation hub. 3, set up your classroom. This is where you give people the roadmap. Remember, people join for community and accountability, but they stay for a clear path. So give them one main anchor module. Start here. Welcome. Here's how it works. Your weekly rhythm. Simple next steps. Then build as you go. Perfection is not required to launch. Momentum is. You can add PDFs, templates, links, and recordings over time. And your weekly calls are gold. That's where trust gets built the fastest. Here's the rule. Simple creates speed. Speed creates proof. Proof creates trust. 4, publish your first YouTube video. Now let's talk about the part where most people freeze. Your first YouTube video does not need to be cinematic. It needs to be helpful. Film it like you're talking to yourself from 1 year ago. What would you say to help that version of you get unstuck? You need a quiet space, a clean background, simple lighting, and focus on one core outcome per video, not 10. 1. Then mention your school naturally. If you want templates, support, and a step-by-step path, join my school. The link is in the description. That sentence is small, but it becomes your invisible sales engine. 5, use AI to speed everything up. Now this is where the game gets unfair. In a good way. You can use ChatGPT to generate video ideas, Scripts, titles, thumbnail concepts, community posts, email drafts, repurposed social content. And here's the key. Don't stop at the first draft. Ask, make it better, improve retention, sharpen the hook. Give me 3 stronger versions. ChatGPT doesn't replace your voice, it accelerates it. Connect YouTube to Skool. This part is simple, but it's where money starts to show up. You want easy, obvious bridges. Your YouTube banner, your channel about line, your Skool link near the top of every video description, a pinned comment, a quick mention inside the video. Do that consistently and people will find you. And one more important YouTube rule, at the end of every video, send them to another video. YouTube loves session time, so your 3 goals are get the click, keep them watching, lead them to the next video. That's how you grow faster. You don't need 100 ideas. You need one system that compounds. Here's the 5-step framework. Define your transformation, build your Skool community, create a simple start here classroom, publish your first YouTube video, use AI and smart linking to scale. This is how you stop trading hours for dollars and start building something that can generate recurring income with leverage. So if you're ready to build this the smart way with speed, clarity, and a real system behind you, click the link in the description or the pinned comment. And if you want the step-by-step version and weekly support, join the Shifting Gears community, because building alone is optional now. All right, subscribe if you want the next part of this system, and I'll see you in the next video.